Wait. No. Hey, how old? She looks old, dude. Sent her with her umbrella. Get her to come over to us. No, she did she? Okay. Get her to come over here. Get her to come over here. Get her to come over here.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Come here. Sorry to bother you. We're lost. Is this West Miami or South Miami? I don't even.
Do you know how to get to... Hold on one second. Let me get this. It has a fucking map here.
Where are you trying to get to?
8th and 44?
No, aren't we trying to get to Flagler? Wait, I don't understand. Let's see here. Do you know how to get to? Do you know how to get to West Flagler Street?
West Flagler, you're like way off.
Ma'am?
You have to go down like 2 streets and then take a left, and it's like you're way out of your neighborhood.
Right. Right.
Do you have like a problem with the camera or something?
What do you mean, dude?
Like,
no.
Why are you filming me?
We
like,
film
hello?
No, we film everything.
You
We're
film
film
everybody
students.
who asks directions for?
We're film students. We film.
We're film. I'm sorry. Let me get this map right here. Get this fucking thing out. I'm sorry. Hi. Okay. So what did you say it is? Left. Wait. Is it a left and then a right? I'm sorry, ma'am. He's a little fucking
crazy or something.
No, I'm sorry, ma'am.
I'm sorry. Wait. So what did you say it is now?
You guys are like. Here's your map. You guys need to go like down 2 streets, take a left, and just follow it on down, and you'll find it.
A left and then a right and then a right to the left.
Something like
to
that.
the heezy to my kneesy.
Something.
I'm sorry, dude. No, I'm sorry. Look. Hey, can I ask you a question?
I guess.
Is it okay?
Why are you gonna turn the camera off?
What do you mean?
This is just bizarre.
What camera?
That camera.
I don't see a camera anywhere. Do you see a camera?
We'll turn it off.
Thank you.
Go ask her, dude.
All right, dude. What I wanted to know is if what can I ask you what you're doing here?
I'm applying for a job.
You're applying for a job.
Yeah.
At a video store?
At a video store.
You ever why? What do you need to work here for? This place sucks.
Because I just moved down here from New York and got a job. I've got a place, but I have like a month to find another place to go.
Oh, so you just moved down here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. What if I asked you, so you need money, or what's happening now? You're working.
Well, no, I'm
Did you get the
applying
job?
Not yet.
You didn't get the job.
I don't know. They're going to call me back.
Right, I'm sure they will.
Hey, I'm a good person.
I'm sorry. No, I don't mean
call
it.
me
Look.
back,
Let me explain something to you. We do like film, we do movies, stuff like that. You know what I mean? And we're always looking for like new talent. You know, new people that want to be in films and movies, stuff like that. You know. And well, what kind of movies? They're usually like documentary films, stuff like that. And we only look for really, really smart people. Do you know what I mean? To do them because they're important. They're documentaries, and you'll be paid for it. We just want to ask you 20 questions about who you are. Yeah, just about who you are. You know what I'm saying? Like stuff like that. But the only thing is we got to do it in the van. What do you think about that?
The van?
Yeah, look, see.
Here, dude.
Hold this for a
The
second.
window or something?
Look. I'm just. Don't worry about me.
See, this is my ID, and here's his ID.
FIU. See?
See the dates.
We're college students. We're not
right
scary
there.
or
You know
anything.
FIU's right there, right?
Yeah. Wait. What's your name?
Co-students.
Marley.
Hi, Marley. I'm Sanchez.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is my friend Ugly.
Ugly, nice to meet you, Ugly.
He's a good. No. He's cool. So wait a second. So what are you doing right here now? What are you doing? I'm sorry, I forgot. Are you waiting here for somebody?
Well, I was waiting for a friend to pick me up.
If you want to do it, we're not bad people. We're not going to do anything scary to you or anything like that.
Just kidding.
Nice, dude.
Joke.
I've got about $20 here. If you just,
Yeah, 20 questions. Take you 20 minutes. We'll give you a ride to wherever you need to go.
What do you think?
Dude, that looks like more than 20 bucks. Give me my 5.
Nothing freaky, nothing weird, just 20
Questions,
questions.
dude.
Yeah.
Questions.
Cash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like weird questions. They're weird questions. But they're
And you
just
guys can
questions.
drop me off by my house?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
Is it close?
Yeah, I live like just right by where you're going.
Word up. No problem.
Alright.
Hop in.
Do you want to do it?
You'll do it?
If it doesn't take a lot of time, I don't know.
No, it's just
Yeah,
20
it's
easy.
20 questions, man. Like
20
what,
questions.
20 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes?
10 minutes,
40
dude.
minutes?
5.
An hour and a
Jesus.
half?
Not even that. Come on, Marilee. You'll have fun. It's easy, dude. It's easy money.
Easy
But I
money,
don't know
dude.
you guys.
We're safe, too. Don't worry.
We're fine, dude.
Yeah, we'd never do anything bad to anybody.
Come on, hop in. Let's go. Give her the money, dude.
All right, here. Let me see. What is
We trust you, you trust us.
Yeah, see?
Dude, I mean, whatever. You can scream, kick, we'll let you out. It doesn't matter. If you want to get out at any time, we'll let you out, dude. It's no big deal. We don't care. Look at us. We're fucking
like
kids.
5 minutes.
Jesus.
I know, we're kids, dude.
Hey,
What you got the idea, dude? I'm sorry. Yeah, we're kids, dude.
You guys seem alright.
Oh, please. We're more than all right. Do you know what I mean? Hop in. Good, get in.
Alright. Sure.
Yeah.
5
Jump
minutes.
in.
There we go. Oh my God,
Yeah,
she's
hop in here,
cute.
dude.
Hop in.
This guy.
No, he's just a friend of ours.
He's a friend of ours.
Yeah.
Sorry, Ramon.
Yeah, Ramon. No, yeah. Well,
Ramon, he's our boy. Dude.
he's a good friend of
Just
ours.
make sure that the girls don't.
We
like,
know he
cut
looks
our-
creepy, but don't worry, he's
You
fine.
Make sure the girls don't like cut our throats and take our kidneys.
No, it's not that, dude. He just works with us. He does some shit with us. No big deal.